What is going on, traders? Trader Joe back again with a quick video at the trading desk. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. Anyways, we're talking about psychology behind when you go through a losing streak because of price action just being crappy. Remember that price action is just being crappy, right? Your strategy is not wrong. If you're a beginner trader, you don't have a strategy, first of all. The Market Mastery program, Market Mastery Strategy, basically my bread and butter, how I take trades, when I get into a trade, how I get out of a trade, how much I'm risking, when I'm closing partials. The exact breakdown of my specific strategy is on sale right now, 75% off. You can get it if you want. A few of you already picked it up. I appreciate you. I've been emailing you back and forth. If you have any questions, you want me to add something to the course, tell me, email me, or leave a comment. I will add that video to the course, and I'll do whatever I got to do to make sure that you're satisfied with the money that you spend, because I'm here for you guys, right? I'm a regular guy. I love trading. You know, I'm doing this for the people within my niche. I love y'all. So anyways, thank you guys for the support. So the psychology behind losing streaks. It's just a losing streak. That's all it is. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't jump strategies, right? Don't call yourself stupid. Don't say that, oh, I don't know what I'm doing. No, price action is just crappy, right? You cannot find a beautiful strategy when price action is crappy, right? Now, if price is moving nice and smooth, higher highs, higher lows, we're following a beautiful trend, all right? We're jumping in on that trend. We're getting into there and making some money. Beautiful. But if price action is, there's no trend, it's consolidating, there's major highs and then all of a sudden major lows and then major highs again, there's no consistency, that's okay. That's exactly what it is. And my arm is getting tired already. Ooh, man, I don't even know why I bother working out if I can't even hold a camera up. Price action is just crappy. That's all you have to remember. Do not say that, oh, I need to find a new strategy now. Don't do that. All right. Just reflect on your risk parameters. If you have a problem with trading and you start having a really bad week, like this week and a half is trash. It's trash. I'm telling you, it's bad. The last week and a half, at least for me, I'm a very consistent trend trader. I'm looking for beautiful price action, beautiful momentum, retracement back to an area where we initially set up that buy scenario for price to continue up, and we're looking for another entry on that. Like I'm just very simple, right? It's a simple strategy that I love, and it took me years to just come around full circle and be like, wow, this is all I had to do just to make easy money and never stress. Beautiful. But this is a bad week. We have a very bad week and a half here. Probably not going to trade for the next week until I see price action get back to normal. Because when I look at the chart, I'm like, what is this? What am I looking at here? Like, there's nothing here. I don't stress it. I don't force a trade. I don't look for an entry somewhere. I don't just start changing strategies. I don't just start randomly buying or randomly selling on the 30-second chart and the 10-second chart. Don't stress about it. It's just a bad week. So this is just a quick reminder. Be mindful that if you have a strategy that works and you've had very good months, and all of a sudden you have maybe a bad week, it's okay. The hardest thing for a lot of new traders to understand is that when they're in the mix of things, like right at that, how do I say this? If you're in real time, if I had a really bad day trading, all I'm thinking of are all the negative ideas behind trading. I don't know what I'm doing. I need to find a new strategy. I need to risk more. I've got to find another trade. Everything just starts flooding your head. Instead of just saying, it's just a bad week. It's a crappy week. It's the same idea. Maybe you've experienced this if you've been trading long enough and you don't know. When you have a bad day, just one bad day, you know, and you start losing and you're like, I lost this trade. All right, cool. Let me get into another trade. I lost the second trade. Jesus. 2 trades in a row, lost. Geez, man, today sucks. Whatever. The next day comes up, beautiful trades again. The third day comes up, beautiful trades. It's literally just the market. But this is how the strong survive. The weak will not survive. The strong will survive when you go through crappy days, crappy weeks, and even sometimes crappy months. Like when I even backtest my strategy would make me, anywhere from 10 to 20% a month. And there was some months that I backtested and I was like, why is this happening? What's going on here? And I was break even at 2% basically. And I probably would be in the negative based off commissions and fees and all that stuff. But it was like a break-even month. I'm like, oh my God. And I try to place myself in that moment in time. I'm like, how would I handle this? How would I handle this if it was me living through this month that I've back-tested that ended up break-even? Right? You stress about one day of losing. You stress about a week of losing. Imagine a month of losing. Oh, winning and losing. You know how annoying that is to get up every day and just keep being break-even for a month? That's why you can't let this be, the everything in your life. This has to be a hobby. This has to be a skill that you just enjoy doing. This has to be something where you're like, I just love doing this. You know, again, I tell you guys all the time, this feels like work. When I'm doing like videos and stuff and I'm trying to break stuff down, that's like work to me, man. But it's a job that I love, you know? But when I'm trading by myself, it's just fun, man. It's just, this is what I love doing. You know, that's why I'm sitting here with a camera in my face by myself in a room talking to people that have never met me because I love doing this. But yeah, so just quick psychology video. Don't beat yourself up. When you're on a losing streak, it's okay, man. It's just a crappy week. Give it a second. Again, if you're chasing this for money, that's where you're going to have no patience. You're just going to start over trading, revenge trading. Give it a good week. Let price get back to normal and jump back into the market and do what you do best. Execute on those trades professionally. Be disciplined. Risk only 1% to 2%. Right? When you get into profit, maybe go break even, close out 80% of the trade, go to break even, hold it to a new high. Pay yourself weekly or monthly out of your live account. If you're trying to get funded with a prop firm, all right, risk 0.5% per trade. Anyway, stay blessed, stay safe. It was a quick video, but just don't beat yourself up over losing streaks. Stay blessed, stay safe. Love you, brother, love you, sister, and I'll see you in the next video.